got some packages from Amazon. Let's see what's inside.
They're organizing bins.
Organizing bins, I guess. Isn't very exciting, but yeah. Yay, more bins.
Those are nice and big.
Open one. They look exactly fine. You opened one. This one will be easy as pie. This one will be easy as pie, Mom. Easy as pie.
You think so?
Yes. Comes with no instructions. Say.
I think you can push them down, though. No?
No.
Oh, cool.
Easy as pie.
It is easy. So at work, you can organize your room a little bit more.
Maybe.
Let's see what this other one, how you put the other one together. You're good at that.
These ones come with wheels.
Kid accessible. A child can put this together. Let's see about this one.
That's my stuff now.
So what is that?
Looking right there. Mom, these are supposed to go in.
So you pull the handles out, look at, pull these out.
Does it look like
Look like right here. So you can push these in, or you can pull these out. And when you pull them out, then it can sit on top. So you can pull them out on each side. Look at the other side. All of them. Look at all of them. I think where the wheels fell off too. Yeah. Maybe that side? Oh yeah, we need to push it in then. These ones have to be pushing in.
Surprise! I'm 8 years old. My name is Amaya, and this is super easy. Hi guys, welcome back to my mother's YouTube channel, and today we have a special guest, my cat, me, and my mom. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. His little collar. Okay, and this is a little houses, but they can also be for storage containers. This is just for my school stuff. This is from the Doodles go. This is where the LOLs and pets go and babies. This is where just random stuff. So, I made different types of rooms. The first one are the LOL's room. The second one is Doodles room. The last one is the drum roll, please. Closet. And me and my mom are going to be getting more because there needs to be a guest room and a kitchen and a bathroom.
I meant for these to be storage places, not little rooms, but they're fun for this too.
And my mom also has to buy little Barbie stuff just so it can be even perfect for the bathroom